Back to Dad Simply Cooking, where today we're gonna make this kitchen this morning smell fantastic. The whole house is gonna smell absolutely fantastic because we're making banana chocolate chip pancakes from scratch. An easy, simple recipe. If you got flour, you got some ripe bananas that you're thinking about throwing away. We're not gonna throw them away just yet, because we're gonna use them today. And we want to aim for bananas that kind of look like this. The sugar has oxidized more throughout the bananas. These are going to be super sweet. Some chocolate chips, some milk, some sugar, baking powder. You got it. You can make it at home. It's going to be cheap and good. So let's roll into this. So here, we're only going to need 2 tablespoons of butter for this recipe. Bananas, ripe bananas. You want to make sure your bananas are ripe. Like these are a little tea yellow. We want them to taste good, flavorful, and be really sweet. Okay, so we're gonna go with more oxidized ripe bananas. Milk, and I'm gonna have all the ingredients, measurements pop up here. Milk, flour, some sugar, baking powder, 1 egg, and some chocolate chips, and a little bit of salt. That salt's gonna bring and enhance everything to pull it together. So without further ado, let's get into this and make some delicious banana chocolate chip pancakes. So let's just jump into this and make some delicious banana chocolate chip pancakes. First off, what I want to do is I want to mix in my wet ingredients first, okay? So I'm gonna get 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna melt that down. So we're gonna take our milk, pour it on in. We're gonna take our egg, pour it on in. Now with my bananas, what I'm gonna do before I mix them in is I'm gonna mash them on down. And if you want a finer texture, so you can have a banana chunk in there, mash them up real good. If you don't mind, however you want to do it. Got my mixture here. I am going to do a splash of vanilla. I'm going to start mixing that on in. Butter on in. So, flour, baking powder, your sugar, and a little bit of salt. And then all we're going to do is mix in all of that ingredients, the dry ingredients. If you're worried about clumping, you can go ahead and put this to a strainer. That's up to you. I like to make sure mine's all nice and mixed in. And then I'm going to add in just a dash of some ground cinnamon. Okay. Now, once you feel that that ingredient is good and nice and mixed in and everything, we're going to incorporate the dry with the wet. Then I have my chocolate chips. I'm just gonna take my chocolate chips and put them on in there too. And of course you can add more chocolate chips if you want. I did a half a cup. All right, and once that's done, we can start cooking these bad boys. So today I'm gonna be using my griddle to cook my pancakes. Typically for my pancakes, I use my 1/3 cup measuring for my pancake batter. I have my griddle set to 300 degrees. I don't want to get too hot and like worry about burning them or cooking them too fast. I might go up a little bit to 350 degrees. All right, we're starting to see those bubbles come up on this one a little bit. Don't push down. I was about to push down, cut myself. I know somebody's gonna hit me in the comments if I would have pushed on it. You're not supposed to push on it. I know, my bad. I didn't though. I stopped myself. I saved it, okay? I saved it. Let me tell you, the smells coming from this griddle, 10 out of 10. So y'all, look at that. You have chocolate chip or banana chocolate. So y'all look at this. You have banana chocolate chip pancakes. Delicious, good. I'm ready to try a bite. Cover my butter. Just like with a piece of banana bread, you want to put a piece of butter on it. Nice and fluffy. Oh.
I saw one on TV, a farmer on the right. And
dude, you've got to try this. Come here. What do you think of that? That's good, isn't it? Oh my gosh. Y'all, forget what I said about freezing some of these for later on. You're gonna eat the whole thing. These are hands down the best pancakes I've ever made in my life. Y'all, having said that, I don't know what the kids and Jerry are gonna eat. I'm gonna go eat this stack of pancakes, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much. Thank y'all so much for watching my videos, commenting, liking. I try to get back to y'all as soon as I can. Some days it might be a day later, but I do love reading all your comments and seeing everybody come in, share memories or whatever. Thank y'all for being here. If you will on this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Hit the bell notification, get notified every time I post a video. Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays are my days I post videos. Some days I go live during the week. You never know. If you hit that bell, you get notified when I make a post. Bye-bye. Maybe going live. So y'all, thank you. I love you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!